Hi my lovely viewers, this is Alwhite World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set or insert cover page in Microsoft Word in Windows 11. So for this case we have to take or we have to open any kinds of Microsoft Word file. So here this file already I have opened. So here lots of section has been revealed here. Home, insert, this. So in insert have the cover pages. See, the by default cover pages has been here. See, also we can take the more cover pages. See, we can take this. So by default what app we can take this. So see the cover page, if we decrease then we will get it properly. See, this is the cover page. We can change this easily. So here writing thing, we can do these things also. We can take these things also. We can do this. See, in this way we can change, we can take the or we can modify, edit our cover page. Now we can also go to this here the more cover page from office.com. So if we click here, then go to this. See, also go to in that inside this, in this way we can do these things or we can add the cover pages. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.